ikiagiro kwirikia niko kogenderete nijishirinkiri bwejemo so asumutanda obo ase www.camelpark.com guse reservations at camelpark.com guse wakesimi ase namba Outa Isano Ibere ayemonye isato isano niseto isano nemo isano kianda inye guse Outa Isano Ibere isato inye isato isano niseto isano nemo isano kianda inye guse Outa Isano Ibere isano nemo isano Ibere maragatano inye umoyega o Kids Fest Talent Search First Edition umwano utamoja Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Tariki ne mumutinyi yokano mwaka ujirubere ne meronge bere nebere karango kwari ne SMS ito ya mangana maya eringo erena ko sansa marana ali atwa kwari ni kururia gakete go ikaboniga no kubori kwane buno nyara ko bamona inje go ikoma erinyana no bakwenda kutubwati asensemeri mitandao tonyora asensema ya Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News bwega asensemeri ya YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News otari kweba go tweet @Ndizi TV News egeregali kiao ni gotukiare ndikirenza kireta ekagwetera ase namba ira seskini yawe go ikaranzo ige ndengwerere aritwa gusangirira kuru moja iria nyisugusu amo nabosongo yoyo ra sensemeri omurwe banyererio nigakorwa Joshua Outa Nigeria ne Brighton Makori. Amangana Amayia ni gotuga jakira kurwa se factory cha ya Nyangoba asebono abalimi bekemerigie cha banyare ba kwegerwa usiba konyora amayegerio ngakibara nyare ba kukiba kurende kemerigie cha inde banyare ba konyora ligesa ligyonyerebuna serikali nigenda kubekemero biri ya bene rikwenda kimna omulimi bekemerigie cha kujerwa konya kasa matukale bosyo ekere serikali ya letira monjerio ase sekta ya mangana yobolemi anena sekemeri gecha
lakini wale wale Nyangoba registered wale 26,000 wale active ame 20,000 tumuna wale ni to wena to kuligerelinga na kicha itekoa tunye improve improve eto kubolia abantu abasiasa bagende tukanda round tigaba to support muna wale mi edute chai to ya factory mapema
asa matuka magega ni gobono mwana mumuranya rega korekana buna ni gatigire magega asemeroberi ao asetoro chimune byombe binge ni go bigo segeta go sebigo siro mwana munyaroka korende ni gobona abayibuli banyarire ba kuborirwa kubeke meroberi yabene kwena kemna omwana mumura ngo siro areka ukwana kera keranite asumusangano bwa basubati ya se county ya Machakos mata karua oyi ore oyoro murai wikemakia na Kenya ni gobona atebiruna abagaka anene abagaka banyare ba go segeta na korera abana bamura asechinjira chingia korengana ni go mumura anyareka gotu maega asamatuko amange.
It is not because of the girl child that the boy child is getting lost. Let us be very frank. Boys, during teenage, they need their fathers. They need male role models. if not a father figure. Tunauliza waume wetu, marafiki zetu, tunauliza wababa wote, pay attention to the adolescent boy child. A mother is not enough as a role model. Wewe uko busy ukitafuta pesa. Unaweza kutafuta pesa upoteze mtoto. Tafuta pesa, but be around the home to nurture the boy child. Let us not be made to feel guilty about our empowerment. Empowerment ya wamama haijafika. We are not 50-50 in the elected seats. We are not 50-50 in government.
Asijinga gejejo mugavana bwe county ya Makueni kifuita kibwana nikanyarithega koboria byombe byonsi binyare bigosiro mwana anenekera abana bari abarisiko erusa niko kifuita nyarithega batabone byombe byonsi kibira nyare go chamo niko birasire omwana asijinga gejejo nigireteri bagari abene kobaboria abasubati bonsi buna niko babateri baga lisaini elikwenda kibuna ense ya Kenya ngosukire bosio.
Watoto wetu ni kweli kazi ni haba, kuna hizo shida na wameanza wengine kuingia kwa drugs, kuingia kwa zile pombe rahisi kama pande hizi wameingia kwa mkuuka sana, na hilo pia ni jambo la kushughulikiwa kwa sababu we will miss a generation and we need with the religious sector, with maendeleo, with Nakada, with the counties, all of us, tushughulikie hilo jambo, tuokoe vijana. Nyinyi ndio hata wapigaji kura wale ni wengi. Mkipenda kuamua kubadilisha Kenya, mtabadilisha Kenya. Na najua chair wenu alisema jambo na labda mje create consensus enough, lakini mkipenda kubadilisha Kenya nyinyi mna uwezo. Kwa hivyo Kenya isipobadilika, next time tutakuja nyinyi tuwaulize what did you do.
Omoliki botambe ase wizara yechisemi anene oyoteneta mangana university amo nobotuki ni Dr. Simeon Nabukwenzi niko bana nyareka gotokia babwatani bonsi bechisemi anene bali banyara bakorra buna matemu akorire buya ekero kirasi ge 12 bagendete gukora matemu abo ayo arachikoera wikaritsko rya Jumatatu boigo matemu kirasi 8 na nyara kagosokiwa wiki eye niko bono anyareka gotokia babwatani abo bonsi asate biruna nire buya Kenya nyareke gosira chisemi asoro gongo ruinsi yeito ya usasi nsemo ya Afrika kwa tengana nere nikanyareka hote abuna aborokia batakiri gusira chisemi nakoba omufano muya osekisambekia gochi ase abantu bonsi.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the DCC and all officers from the Ministry of Interior. I want to thank the TSC director and the team and all others who have assisted us to run exams up to this point. And they always get committed to the process to assist us. And I want to take this opportunity to ask colleagues in the teaching profession to be at the forefront of ensuring that rules and regulations are observed to the tiniest of the details. That's the only way we shall be demonstrating that the assistance by all other state agencies means something to us, that we are doing the right thing. And it's all in the interest of our nation.
Magega hieke gambere kenene ge kuragwa numuna jebi no manene mata kome kuna ja oroboti rwa bibia ya burit kurigoro ningobono obomo bwa Kenya kwanza bokuragwa numuraibe kyama kya NC musari marabari muraibe kyama kya UDA yoro murabo yo mukonyi bo muraibe ense Dr. William Ruto amo nabarai bandi banyarire bagosoka nago togi okona chuoku konyarito kurwegwa litiko rigoro.
It is important to note that public funds used in the constitutional process were not appropriated by the National Assembly for the purpose, but were rather an illegal diversion of public funds by some public officials who decided to use their offices, to finance politics contrary to the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act of 2012. We wish to remind the handshake duo and BBI promoters who misused their offices in diverting public funds to the BBI initiative that they are accountable to the public for their illegal decisions and actions as per Article 73(2)(d) of
Musari mravadi uyonya soma mangana yoja se barali gosabali kiwa mangana se county Kerbara se county ya Mombasa nikabona banyareba hote abuna ababunge bali barasoma bwa Kenya kwanza nibaje kwenda goikase bunge eri gotaka kumanya ngichibe cyanya tikubwatukwa gocha sorobotirwa BBI oruanyarero ko bumusigo gocha saba Kenya.
Our members at the National Assembly are moving a motion compelling the Auditor General to undertake a forensic audit on all public funds spent in the illegal process from inception to date. It is now clear the illegality and fraudulent dictation to Kenyans of an illegal process that has cost the Kenyan government huge sums of money, funds that ideally should have been channeled to other urgent needs of Kenyans, is now well manifest in Azimio charades.
Ekiombe mo kimanyekana na Betking korwa sensemo gose ekiombe mo kimanyekana na Betking nikabono Kenya rigi kubwatu kwa bokonyi gocha sabasae ane korwa sensemo ya Kawangware unenjere yemo yogosira egasi yabasae abwe kiombe kyo nikabono Kenya rigi kubwatu kwa bokonyi obugo chase ensemo eyo ane kro yabaite chitangi amo nebinto au ene renjere yemo yogosira basae asebirengo au ekiombe kyo nikabono yateuna nigochike kogendera kwene kebuna ngorukera bokonyi gochi asebyombe ao ime yense yaito ya Kenya igori tukorigoro nigo banyarte bakurwa bokonyi obu onoroje chibiche chia jire ase TV yao ekine kiombe kimanyekete na Betking ekigendete kuru obokonyi obu ko kogendera gochibosia ase amangana aito Amayia nigo bono oyokorie kirugo kyobogabana ase county ya Siaya boigo yo kabeire omonogeri bwabanyanyimbo Charles Owino nigo bona nyarega komomojo moliki omonene bwe kiama gya ODM Edwin Sibuna asate biruna nigajakirwe swanania na bali bakuliye birogo bya siasa asichinsemo ao anila se county ya Siaya.
Baba is going to be a candidate of a coalition of several parties under Azimio la Umoja to unite our country. And therefore, and ODM's policy is based on democracy and transparency. And remember, Baba fought and put his head on the rail for many years, getting detained for a continuous 8 years. That was just one detention, in order to fight for democracy in this country. And this is the space he fought for, democracy. I believe Sifuna is simply scared of our ability. Engineer Gumba and I, if they wanted to hire us, even today, to deliver for ODM, they know we will deliver for ODM. So if they don't want to hire us to deliver for them, then what we are simply doing is to avoid what we call voter apathy. We would want Right Honorable Raila Odinga to get as many votes as possible. We want to encourage each and every person that thinks he can run on any other party to run on that party, so that we don't lose any votes. But most interestingly, I would say that Sifuna cannot deliver for ODM even an MCA seat in Bungoma. And he knows we can deliver for ODM all the seats in Siaya. So we are not at the same level with him.
Ekarutugarita senseme ya siasa nigo bono mugabana bwe county mugabana odio ngosabo kwabera omugabana bwe county ya Murang'a oyibono okode chintunde cha Ibere baigori getigo chikurikie keroke borai bwe ensense ito ya Kenya nigo bono airwo koboko kuchikurukie ebendera ye kiama gya usawa nigatebetebuna niga iru okoboko nandi niga gochikoreta monchoria mana sense ya Kenya anne karara igu libaga liokorigo bara igwense gose karara igu libaga liokora ense ito ya Kenya niga yakwanitaya litukurigoro ekarba korto musangano bwe kiama ekyo ase county ya Nairobi.
Waeria soko wote keki ndio hiyo kila mmoja ameona.
The critical and unspoken challenge facing this nation is unequal distribution of national resources. To address this, with our government, we established a formula that to be able to cluster all households by their income levels. On this basis, we are going to drive a household economic model. It is our defining moment and we must seize this opportunity. Election Day, 9th of August 2022 shall be a moment of history.
Ekiombe gia okwa Kenya ni gobono Kenya rige kuburia serikali kubeka maisomarore usiteneni karba uju kabesa makabeso koruchinze chisiko boigo ni Kenya rige gotabune meroberi ya bene takiri kubekwa eri kwenda kibana chipese jijigo rusuwase chisiko goseri kabeso ngijigoja cyakora asense ito ya Kenya.
The data the Treasury is using for its economic forecasts, for its rebasing, is questionable. Or at least the way they present that information needs more debate.
Accountability is a concern for all of us, and as members, as citizens of this country, it's our duty to work together.
Our consolidated fund services are now our highest expenditure item, more than even the running of government.
Umanjumuliria abunongo ikomweli wa mangana ito Amayia Chinsa Isano Ibere korende nyora na chikoraga Chinsa ikomitia ilitukurira na nukunyanyora ayuamo na mange bana twende ko yasangelia koru ime na isiko ya gusikorende no maite bina litugo goseta rikeya mok ya kiromoti nyukane kiro mwaka nigo likoro full day timaye tingi badi rokete full day korende ekaro kumachikorekana nigo bono yo lichagetie nigarengo mongainereria gosaka ngainereria likabali tukuria oxing yani lirio kungainererio mondako gotebina ya choni kebatire otajitimeremo korende no ale asemeremo igobono ni igorire lituko lyo kungainereria gose full day korende injetindi moliri gositindi full day nonde chonjo kabisa ni producer ya John Kebati nera gonteina itukeri gatari maiti buya tari full day yaye gotokonyara go kumngaina ina to akorganiria asedituko lia rero gendera kurigiria merobiri ito Ndizi TV nero gwansubo mogusi nyora na bogo turigiria gusana bogo tobwati sense ye mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News asense ya YouTube na bogo tonyora Ndizi TV News oyo renga somo gwe manyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Outa neriane Brighton Makori gendera kurigiria Ndizi TV nero gwansu pomogusi.
bu television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura y'ubunchulia bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigeri ya kuruchi County Isano Ibere echichira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesimi ase namba enoti Isano Ibere inya isato Isano nemo